This is a digital video of the Ryobi 3302H two-color press, and this is the new style Ryobi without the levers. It's in excellent condition. We got it out of a print shop that was like a school system. They were the original owners and bought it new, and it's been well maintained. You know, the rollers look like they're in good shape. There's no signs of any cylinder damage that we can see. And we can open this up. This is the impression cylinder. And this is the plate cylinder and blanket cylinder on unit number 2. Recently they replaced the squeeze roller on the dampening system. Otherwise the ink rollers seem to be in good condition. They're not badly glazed or anything like that. The ink fountain roller also, you know, does not have any gouges or grooves cut in it. Now we're going to go through and test all the features. This is jog button on unit 1. Of course, you have to have the stop button on here in order for you to be able to jog. But that's jog forward, jog reverse. You can see all that works. Turn that stop button off. Now put this one on. Now we've got jog forward and jog reverse. Turn that one off. Now we have run. And this is idle speed. It does feature a non-tracking cylinder, super blue. It has the infrared ultra powder spray unit with infrared. And also there's the tank, refrigerator recirculator, plunger can. There are your 2 wash-up trays and a few little extra auxiliary pieces. The water bottles came from other machines that we got from there, and it looks like you have operation manual, some extra paper guides, but that's a Royce refrigerator recirculator, which is of course one of the best ones. There's no damage on the machine. It wasn't freight damaged or anything like that we can see. Okay, now we're going to start feeding. Turn the pump on. Turn the feed on. Very smooth, quiet running machine. We're not press operators here, but not much to run in one of these. Very straightforward, well-built presses. And Ryobi's still in business, so there's no problem getting parts, most likely, and supplies and so forth for this machine. The pump seems to be in really good shape, got plenty of air blast. Stop feeding, start feed, automatically increases the speed once it senses the sheet is there. The emergency stop button stops the machine as it should. Start back up. Stop feed. Stop button. Start button. Stop button. Start button. Stop button. Start. Start feed from the front. Stop feed. Stop button. This completes our demo run of the Ryobi 3302H 2-color printing press. These presses sell very cheaply these days, but it doesn't take away from what they can do. Basically, there's not a whole lot of a lot we can do. We wholesale these machines out, ship them all over the world, and somebody gets a good deal on a press. We used to sell these machines used for $28,000 to $35,000. So, just keep in mind one thing, that you're buying an inexpensive as-is machine. There's no warranties expressed or implied on any function of this machine. All of these wholesale machines are sold mainly to the international market and sold as they are. Just to keep in mind that the infrared unit by itself sells easily for $1,500 to $1,600 used, and the refrigerator recirculator sells for over $1,000 used. So you have to keep in mind that these are included in this price. We also have a digital plate punch, optical plate punch. That's optional. It's an extra $950 if you want to purchase it. It was with the machine, but we're selling it separately because it is a separate purchased option. But if you want to use the optical punch, which basically eliminates registration because it punches the plates based on the image, then we have that available. If you have any questions about this machine, please feel free to give us a call. 800-634-2176, or visit us on the web at lcegraphics.com. Thank you.